Hello, teacher.
All right, hello, baby. Okay, so I am so sorry if teacher has some delay because of a stomach ache, but I am all good right now. So thank you so much, baby Halle, for waiting. For waiting. I was kind of afraid and nervous because I am late, but gladly your mom is okay with it, and actually. She's also concerned if I'm feeling better anyway. But for now, I am good, baby Helen. Thank you so much. All right, so how are you tonight, baby Helen?
I'm happy.
Oh, happy. Show me your smile. All right. Okay, so now, baby Helen, did you eat already?
Yes.
And what did you eat tonight, for tonight? Okay, what did you eat, baby?
Today I eat
Uh-huh.
fish.
Oh,
I eat
fish.
food.
How about some vegetables? Did you eat vegetables tonight?
Yeah.
Oh yes, what kind of vegetable is it?
I eat cabbage.
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 Yeah.
Oh wow, that sounds delicious. Ibu tahu dia. All right, so now are you ready to start with our class, baby? Eh?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen. Oh, by the way, your assignment. Did you do your assignment?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, where is your assignment right now, baby? Did you write it on the paper?
So I write it on my tablet.
Oh, on your tablet. Okay. Is it okay if can you chat your assignment in the chat box? Do you know
Yeah.
how to chat? All right. Please send your assignment in the chat box, baby, so that teacher can also read it. Oh, your camera is off. Oh, you're back. Oh, camera is off again. Okay, let me know once you already sent your assignment, okay?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Did you send it already?
Yes.
Okay, let me know, baby, once it's already sent because I still cannot see it on the chat box. Okay, let me know once it's done, okay?
Yes. But
Okay.
it's
Yes,
long.
baby. All right, it's okay, it's okay. Uh-huh. It's so long?
Yes.
Oh, uh-huh. Oh, It's all done.
Teacher,
Yes,
can
baby.
I read? Can I read for you?
Oh, yes, yes, sure, sure, baby. Okay, you can just read about it. So, your assignment is all about tell me about your favorite place in your town or city. You can choose park, museum, building, mall, beach, restaurant, tourist spot, or any places you love. Okay? So,
Yeah.
what is the place? Where is it? Why do you like it? What do you usually do there? All right, so are you ready to read your assignment?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now.
In my city, the most the most beautiful park I like is Harbin Park.
Mm-hmm.
It's larger and peaceful place with many green trees.
Okay.
I very like it because it's very relaxed and enjoy the fresh air.
Mm-hmm.
The park also has a lake and several areas for children to play.
Mm-hmm.
On weekend, my friend and I sometimes visit park to play together.
Uh-huh.
Harbin Park is an indoor play for both local people and tourists who want to experience nature in the city.
Okay, okay. All right, so that's about the part. Okay, do you have any other assignment? Do you have any other okay, oh, wait. What was that? About so you've read about the city, right? The park.
Yes,
Okay, and is that all or do you want to add more? How about the restaurant, baby?
a restaurant.
Okay, do you have something for the restaurant?
I
Okay,
I
what
don't
else do you have there, baby?
I always eat at home. I
Ah,
don't go to restaurant
oh,
often.
okay, now I know. How about tourist spot? How about tourist spot, baby? Hello?
Yes,
Okay, how about tourist spot? What?
I don't know.
Oh, all right. So maybe in our next class you can research about that and I will be giving you that one as an assignment, okay?
Yes,
All right. So for tonight, let's start with your lesson. So now, can you see my screen right now, baby? Yeah?
yes.
Okay, so we have here about the review lesson 61, 62, 63 to 64. So the first is we have learning objectives. So in this lesson, you will practice and review what you learned in lesson 61 to 64. First, exercise 1, warm up. Okay, can you read this one, baby?
Summer, winter,
Summer.
coming of each day, Halloween, market, bridge, a cruise ship, a sky resort,
Ski resort. Okay, can you say it again?
a ski resort,
All right. Okay, so once again, we have summer. Also, we have winter, coming of age day, Halloween, market. Uh, we also, oh, your camera is off. We also have bridge, a cruise ship, and the last one is a ski resort. All right, so now, how about this one, baby? Okay, so I will be asking you some questions regarding to this one, okay? So
Yes.
first question. Which season do you like better? Summer or winter? And why? Again, which season do you like better? Summer or winter?
I like autumn. I like autumn the best
Oh, all right. And why? Why do you like it, baby?
because it's very cool. I can swim in autumn.
Ah, all right. How about between summer and fall? Okay, how about summer and fall, baby?
I like fall.
Oh, all right. Okay, so now next question. What do people celebrate on coming of age day? Again, what do people celebrate on coming of age day? Okay, baby, eh? What do people... Okay, wait, let me type it on the screen. Okay. What do people celebrate on coming of age day? Okay, this one. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, what do people celebrate on coming of age day? All right, do you have any idea, baby Helen?
I don't know
All right, I'll
what.
give you. Okay, what is that, baby?
I don't know
Mm-hmm.
what's the coming of age day.
All right, okay, I'm sorry, baby. Okay, so now coming of an age day is a special day to celebrate young people, those young people, maybe like teens, kids, young people, young generation who have grown up and officially become adult. All right, so for that case, you were like, for example, as of the moment, how old are you again, baby Helen? Are you 13, 12? Wait, let me
I'm
check.
20.
11? Oh, 10. So you are 10. So
I
oh, 11 already?
yes.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Okay, so for that case, for example, uh, you are 11 as of the moment. So you are still belong to the youth, to the kids, or to the young. And then let's say when you grow up and become about 18 years old and above, that's the moment the people welcomes you to adulthood. Okay, so it's a special day to celebrate young people who have grown up and officially become adult. Some people says you become adult when you age 18 and above. So as of the moment, you are still young, you are still kid, so you are not yet part of the adulthoods, but soon enough you will encounter that age. All right, so that's about coming of age day. Okay, baby, next. What do children do on Halloween? Again, what do children do on Halloween?
In Halloween, the children is go other homes
Uh-huh.
to,
To.
to ask for candy.
All right. So it's like trick or treat, something like that.
Yes.
Okay, so how about you? Do you also do trick or treat?
No.
Oh no.
In my city, in my city,
Uh-huh.
people is decor of Halloween, but it's don't celebrate.
Oh, I see. So, but do you like to trick or treat? If you have a chance to do trick or treat, do you like to do it? If given a chance, baby, to do trick or treat, do you like to do it?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yeah, me too. I haven't tried trick or treat either. I haven't tried trick or treat, but maybe soon, maybe somehow I can also try trick or treat. Okay, so on Halloween, children wear fun costumes and go trick or treating to get candy. All right, by the way, baby Helen, do you like to eat candy?
Yes. But my mom,
Oh, wow, but do not eat too much, okay? It will damage
yes,
your teeth and also it will hurt your teeth. So do not eat too much, baby, okay? And also, after you eat candy, make sure to your, brush your, okay, what are you going to brush after eating candy? Brush your,
eat.
okay, brush your teeth. Okay, next question, baby Helen. What can you buy when you visit a market? Again, what can you buy when you visit a market? Like,
I buy some food
uh-huh.
and
And what, baby?
I buy some food and some school shuttle.
Oh, all right. So when was the last time you went to the market? Again,
I
when
went
the
once
last
a
time you
week.
went to the market?
The last time I went to market is last month.
Oh, last month. Who was with you? Are you with your mom?
Yes, I go
Again.
with my mom.
Oh, wow. And what did you buy, baby, during that time?
I buy necessary support and the food.
Ah, okay, okay. Good job, baby. All right. So for me, you can also buy fresh fruits, vegetables, fish, and lots of delicious local street food. So next, baby Helen. Question. What is a bridge used for? Again, what is a bridge used for? Again, what is a bridge used for?
The fish is when you the fish
Uh-huh.
is when you want to
To.
cross the river.
Yes, very good. A bridge is used to help cars and people cross over water, rivers, or roads safely. Okay, next question, baby. Would you like to travel on a cruise ship? Why or why not? Again, would you like to travel on sorry. Again. Would you like to travel on a cruise ship? Why or why not? Okay, wait, let me type. Would You like to travel? Travel on a cruise ship? Why or why not? Again, would you like to travel on a cruise ship, baby Helen? Why or why not?
I don't I don't like to travel on a cruise ship
Okay, why? Why not, baby?
because uh, when I when I travel on cruise ship, I have sickness.
Ah, yeah, we're the same. Like a sickness like you're going to vomit and then your head is aching, right? All right. Okay, so you're like getting dizzy. Okay, last but not the least. What activities can people do at a ski resort? Again, what activities can people do at a ski resort? Again, what activities can people do at a ski resort? Again, what activities can people do at a ski resort?
People can skiing.
What
People can
can what, baby? People
people,
can.
people can skiing.
All right. People go there during the winter to practice skiing, snowboarding, or just to play with the snow. All right. Thank you so much, baby Helen. So let's practice. Tell your tutor what you see in each picture. So, for example, this one is a market, okay? How
Yeah,
about this one? Okay, how
is
about that? Summer.
summer
Okay, how about this one?
is the coming of each day.
All right, how about this?
Is the cruise ship
Okay, next. Uh, this one.
is the winter.
Okay, winter. How about this?
The bridge,
All right. Okay, bridge. How about this one?
the ski resort,
Okay, how about this?
Halloween.
Okay, the Halloween. All right, so now exercise number 2, vocabulary. So listen and repeat these words with your tutor. Again, stormy.
For me,
Okay, next, sunny.
sunny.
Okay, next one, give gifts.
Give gifts.
Okay, next is wear traditional clothes.
Wear traditional clothes.
Try local food.
Try local food.
Okay, next, go sightseeing.
Go sightseeing.
Okay, go hiking.
Go hiking.
Drink champagne. Again, drink
Drink
champagne.
champagne.
All right. Okay, so
Drink.
for tonight, oh yes, drink champagne. All right, so for tonight, baby Helen, once again, thank you so much for waiting to teacher lately, and also for allowing me to excuse just a little bit of time. So I hope that you learned something tonight, baby. You had fun as well in our discussion. So I will not be giving you an assignment for tonight, maybe in next week, okay? Oh, no, no, no.
Yes.
I will give you one about the resort, tourist spot, okay? Give one tourist spot in Vietnam, okay?
I don't understand what the statement.
Oh, okay. Maybe mall or
Oh,
museum. So you can choose anything aside from park and restaurant, okay?
mm,
Okay,
the
you can choose
restaurant.
what? What, baby?
Segment of the restaurant.
All right, so you can choose any aside from restaurant and park, okay? Maybe you can choose museum, mall, building. Let's have, what else do we have? Uh, Anything that you like to have, okay? Maybe you can try to search or ask your mom about tourist spot, okay?
Yes.
All right, so you can search. So you can search or you can ask your mom. So you can choose any of those, okay, baby? But aside from park and restaurant, you are not going to include park and restaurant since you are done with that, okay?
Yes.
All right, so for tonight, goodbye and see you again next time, next week. Bye
Goodbye,
bye.
teacher. Goodbye.
Good night.